Welcome back everybody. It's Big Al once again. I got a challenge locking device. It doesn't necessarily have a name or number on it, but it is by K1 Locks. I just put this Kawneer Russwin as the name because really that's all the information I got. It says that Kawneer, whatever it's called, on the front of the lock, and on the beautiful key. I love these keys. I just think they're nice looking keys. But it's Russwin key, so I just put that Kawneer Russwin. Like I said, there's no other identifiers. He just puts K1 locks, so no clue. There's the bitting on the key. The lock does work clockwise. It's got a nice tick to it, but it does not want to turn counterclockwise, but that's okay. If it turns, it works. So, let's go and pick into this bad boy right here. I'm going to use this little short hook too, by the way. I got from Jason Carlson. Appreciate it. He gave me several of them. I really like them. Especially the short handle ones like this. Perfect for me. The way I hold them like that. Perfect. Perfect. And if the camera's picking it up, there's a nice little ledge right here that I can pick off of. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go in. See if we can get something started here. Yep, a little false set already. Counter on one. Got that. Oh, almost thought it opened. That was a pretty nice little rotation there. Now let's see if we can get some a little bit more. See if we can get some feedback off these pins. Get something to talk to me here. One's not talking. Two's not talking. Three's not talking. Four. Oh. Okay. Excuse me, that's an open. What do you say we do that again, just for the heck of it? That was quick. Four. One. Three. Four. One, two, back into that deep false set on four, and five. Okay, we'll call that open because it's open twice. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. Let's get backed out somewhat and get this bad boy out of here and see what we got. Bada boom, bada bing, right? Let's bring the camera down over here. Ish. Grab a pin and tray. Ish. We can go with that for now. Okay. Some tweezers ready. There's a screwdriver. Oh, flat edge. Okay, some flathead screws on the back, so we are very much open twice, just for fun. Okay. Half-inch screws in there. Boy, they didn't want those to come out, huh? Alright, so it did have a pretty good tick to it turning it, so I'm going to definitely try to get a shim in there. Ooh. I don't know, that's pretty darn tight. Well, I say that. It's loose over there. Okay. It's like it's out around or something here. Maybe I can put it in and rotate it. Oof. Boy, that's nasty. Okay, we're going to probably have to go without that. There we go. 5 pins. Looks like the top of that's been grinded up. Not sure why. Maybe the pins didn't fit good. That thing's chewed up. And there's a hole in number 4. There's a lot of torture been done to this thing. Yep. Looks like 4 is just some kind of, I don't know what's going on there. Not sure. Let's get them out of there and find out, huh? There's 1. There's a number 2, and there's a number 3. This is that funky one in 4. Oh, I see. 2-piece key pin. Alright, so we've got, let's see. On the core, we've got undercut in 1 and 2 and 5. Yeah, I mean, that's, I hope the camera's picking that up. That's pretty, it's been grinded, maybe to make the pins fit. I don't know. That's the way it is. That's what we got. Okay. Going upstairs. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh, it doesn't fit perfect. That follower doesn't, but I'll tell you what. Wonder if I could slide another one through. It might work. See if I can do it without jacking everything up. Got it. Okay. Number 1. Oh my. I don't know. It's like cross cut. Something really weird. The spring's all mangled up. I think this thing's had this thing's seen better days, I think. Maybe it's been around a lot. Got a serrated there, number 2. And 3 is some kind of serrated T-pin combobulation. That was 3, so we're needing 4. 4 is, it's got a little teeny serration on the top of it. Yeah, I think this lock's pretty wore out or something. You know what? I hate that hollow crap. I'm gonna go from this side. Oh my. T-pin in number 5. And the last little spring. And I don't see any mods up in here. No, you would have had to take that through. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Let's put his K1 locks up. And get a close up on these pins real quick. Pointer. Okay. Key pins, standard in 1, 2, 3, and 5. And number 4 is this 2-piece key pin. I'm not sure how much of that comes into play, because I mean, it was pretty much filed on the top of that in the core, so I don't know. Drivers, number 1 is this, it's kind of, I don't know, it's filed around in different places. I'll let you just observe that one yourself there. Number 2 is serrated. 3 is this miniaturized serrated T-pin. It's smaller in diameter than normal pins. Maybe out of a different kind of lock. 4, a little serrated. 5 is a serrated T-pin. And all the springs look like, well, they're not sticking. Not sure why. They look metal. Alright, that's what we got from K1 Locks. And that's it for me, Big Al, signing out.